Welcome to the AI Copilot walkthrough series, where we go through the starter tasks with the Copilot we built using the AI Employee Kit. In the previous video, we created our business plan. In this video, we're going to have our AI Copilot do some research for us online. It'll go through various social media platforms, forums, and online reviews to find the pain points our target market has. This is powerful because it will give you the advantage when you know exactly what your potential customers and clients are stressed about. From the AI Copilot Starter Prompts page, we're just going to notate the language model recommendation, and then we'll copy the prompt trigger. We'll go into our Copilot project, and since we use ChatGPT 5 thinking for our business plan, it's going to already be set for that. Now we'll just come into the chat box, we'll paste our prompt trigger, and we'll click on send. Now it's going to go through your brand identity worksheet, your brand information sheet, and then it will take that information and start doing some research to generate your pain points report. It will take a few minutes, but as you watch your window, you can see the different steps it takes. To save your time, I'm going to skip forward until it's finished. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half, and our Copilot has started to deliver our pain points report. Skipping forward, it took about 30 seconds to write the report. As you can see, it covers some very interesting things that you may not have even thought of. Especially in the top frustrations, if you focus your content and messaging when you talk to the potential customers, it will help you convert. Then understanding the phrases they use, their emotions, the misconceptions that you can clear up, as well as some other information, there's a lot you can use this for. Check out the next video as we have our AI Copilot do competition and market research. And that is how you use the AI Copilot to create your target audience pain points report. Check out the next video as we have our AI Copilot do some competition and market research. Until then, get your copy of the AI Employee Kit at AIEmployeeKit.com. I'll see you there.